what's up you guys? Anyone who's new to my channel, my name's Jana, and anyone who's back again, hello. So I decided that I wanted to do a little mini series on my channel of like Disney princess looks because I thought that'd be really cute. So today I did the Little Mermaid, or Ariel, whatever you want to say, because I am in love with these colors and I thought that'd be a really pretty look to do to start off with. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did this, keep watching, and if you want me to keep doing more Disney princess looks, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see like more about my life or whatever, more about my makeup stuff that I do, you can follow my Instagram. My beauty account is called @beautybyjana, and I link all these in the description anyway, but I just wanted to tell you guys because sometimes people don't read it. But yeah, my beauty account is @beautybyjana. My personal Instagram account is @omgjana. My Facebook for makeup is also just beautybyjana if you want to like that. And then my personal Twitter is @omgjana also. And if you want my Snapchat, I don't know why you would, but like if you do, it's just jfrito99. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching and we'll jump right into the video. So I'm just going to take that color on the 11 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blending eye brush, and I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette and use this really like dark blue color. A little bit of that in my crease just to like darken it a little bit. I'm just going to take the BH Cosmetics 7 brush and blend that out a little bit, just so there's not as harsh of a line between the two colors. Then I'm going to go back in with that shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just put it over the rest of my lid. So I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Glue and I'm going to put that in the middle section of my lid. Next, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Loose Glitter in the shade Mermaid Blue, and I'm going to stick that right where I put the glue on my eyelid. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing on my other eye. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner and just do a wing, and hopefully I don't mess up the whole look. I'm going to put some fake eyelashes on, and I don't know exactly what brand they are or what style they are, so I'll have to look it up. And I'll put that in the description, and I'm just going to pop those on real quick. So now I'm just taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and it's the one that is green for color correcting. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. So I just bought this, I think last week, and I wore it to a concert, and I don't think it really was that great, but it could have just been because I was like sweating like profusely. So that's not really the foundation's fault. I want to try it out again when I am not being crazy and in a very like small, not small space, but in like a very crowded space, so like obviously I'm gonna sweat a lot. Yeah, I want to try it when I'm just like wearing it out for like a normal day, not to a concert. Anyway, I'm gonna be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Oslo. And I'm gonna use my Eco Tools beauty sponge to blend that in. So since this shade is a little light for me, I'm going to go a little more hardcore with the contouring today. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Foundation. And I don't use this as a foundation. I usually just use it to contour. It's in the shade Coconut. And I'm going to blend that in also with my Eco Tools beauty sponge. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the same sponge again. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. Then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Hydra Perfect loose powder and set my under eyes and kind of just cut out my cheekbones. To use my Revlon blush in the shade Classy Coral. Then of course I'm going to be using the Beauty Crop Glow Milk highlighter. Like I keep using because I love it so much. Then on top of that, just to make it glow a little bit more, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sundipped Glow Kit. I'm going to use the shade Moonstone. Then lastly, to complete the eye look, I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35B palette and go into this really pretty purple shade here. And I'm going to take that on the BH Cosmetics 12 brush and put it on my lower lash line. This is the finished product, and if you guys enjoyed the video, I hope you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.